How does Relay Bank work? Have you ever heard of Relay Bank? It's a new type of bank that's been making waves in the financial world. But how does it work? And is it right for you? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Relay Bank and how it's different from traditional banks. We'll also discuss the pros and cons of using Relay Bank so you can decide if it's the right choice for you. What is Relay Bank? Relay Bank is a digital bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and loans. But what makes Relay Bank different from other banks is its unique business model. Instead of being a traditional bank, Relay Bank is a technology company that partners with other financial institutions. This allows Relay Bank to offer its customers a wide range of products and services without having to incur the costs associated with running a traditional bank. How does Relay Bank work? When you open an account with Relay Bank, you're actually opening an account with one of Relay Bank's partner banks. This means that your money is FDIC insured, just like it would be at any other bank. However, you'll manage your account through the Relay Bank app or website. This gives you access to all of Relay Bank's features and services, including checking accounts with no overdraft fees, high-yield savings accounts, personal loans with competitive interest rates, credit cards with no annual fee. The pros and cons of using Relay Bank. No overdraft fees. This can save you a lot of money in the long run. High-yield savings accounts. You can earn a higher interest rate on your savings with Relay Bank than you would with a traditional bank. Competitive interest rates. You can get a lower interest rate on a personal loan or credit card with Relay Bank than you would with a traditional bank. No annual fees. You won't have to pay any annual fees for your Relay Bank account. Easy to use. The Relay Bank app is easy to use and navigate. Limited availability. Relay Bank is not available in all states. No physical branches. You can't go into a branch to do your banking. Limited customer service. Relay Bank has a smaller customer service team than a traditional bank. Is Relay Bank right for you? Relay Bank is a great option if you're looking for a no-frills bank with low fees and competitive interest rates. However, it may not be the best choice for you if you need access to physical branches or extensive customer service. Relay Bank is a unique and innovative bank that offers a variety of banking services at competitive prices. If you're looking for a low-cost, convenient way to manage your money, Relay Bank may be the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.